Hello children, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So children, let's learn the names of the color. Light green color, orange color, light pink color, sky blue color, purple color, brown color, black color, yellow color, red color, blue color, green color, and pink color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw F. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. Kids, now you draw L. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. It's now you draw U. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. It's now you draw X. X for the telephone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.